morning students, my name is Saroj Singh and today we will learn page formatting of MS Word. So let's start. So student, what is the formatting? Formatting of the text means to look a document professional. Features like adding headers and footer, inserting page break, creating column in a page, applying border and shading are really useful while creating a professional look. When we create any professional document, so we will insert on a header and footer, inserting page breaks, columns of a pages and then border and shading. Then our document look like a professional. Okay. So how can we insert the header and footer of any document? So first of all students, what is the header? Header is the text that appears at top of the each page of a document. Okay. And what is a footer? A footer is the text that appears at bottom of the each page of a document. So students, let's see the practical how can we insert header and footer of any Word document. Students, this is a MS Word page. Okay. Here we will insert the header and footer. How can we insert it? First we click on the insert tab. This is your insert tab. When we click on the insert tab, choose the header button. This is your header button. When we click on the header button, header gallery open on your screen. This is the header gallery. Okay. Here we click on the blank header. When we click on the blank header, it insert on your page. Here we type the title of your page. Here I am typing the Marthoma Higher Secondary School. Marthoma Higher Secondary School. This is the title of the page. Okay. And it's a very small font. So first we select the Marthoma Higher Secondary School and then click on the home tab and increase the size of the Marthoma Higher Secondary School. This is the size box. Here we select whatever you want to desire the size. Okay. This is your header, Marthoma Higher Secondary School. It's similar to the all of the page. Let's see. This is the page number 1 and then this is the page number 2. देखो, Marthoma Higher Secondary School is similar in the page number 2 and page number 3 also is similar is the Marthoma Higher Secondary School. Understood students? So same process is a footer also. How can we insert the footer? First we click on the insert tab and footer button. Then footer dialog box open on your screen. Footer gallery open on your screen. Here we select what design you want to footer. Select it. When we select on the footer, it's come on the bottom of the page. And here we type the page number. Page number. Otherwise any author number. Okay. Whatever you want to type it. And it's just similar to the all of the page. Let's see. Page number. And then second page is also what you saw it page number. Third page is also we see the page number. Okay. So students, what is a page break? Page break is the place in the text where one page ends and the next one begins. Okay. So let's see on a practical. How can we create a page break on a MS Word page? This is your MS Word page. How can we insert the page break? First we click on the insert. Okay, in the left side, what you should see that cover page, blank page and page break. Okay, so then we click on the page break. See it, your page is break 1 and 2 parts here. Okay. Again we do the same process. How can we insert the page break? First we click on the insert tab. This is your insert tab and click the page break. When we click on the page break, your page is break in 2 parts, 1 and 2. Okay students, understood? So students, next topic is applying border. So what is a border? A border is the outline surrounding some particular area or text. Okay. A border is an outline surrounding some particular area on a text. How can we apply the border? So students, this is your word page. Here we will learn how can we apply the border of any text. Okay, this is your word document. First of all, we select the text. How can we select it? Then Ctrl plus A. When we press on the Ctrl plus A to select all the text. Otherwise we drag the mouse on a text. Okay, then your file is automatically selected. Then click on the home tab, and this option is a border and shading. Okay, when we click here, then border gallery open on your screen. Which type of the border you want to it, you can select it. So first of all, we select the whole text. Here I select the text, and after that we click here, and is the outside of the box. Click on the outside of the box. When we click on the outside of the box, then what you see it here, your document selected. Okay. Outside of the box. Okay. And here border and shading, the last option is the border and shading. Click on the border and shading, then border and shading dialog box open on your screen. Here different type of the lines you see, all of you will see it here, different type of the lines. Here we can select it the double line of the border. Okay, when we click here okay, then all the border is okay. And this is the shadow. This is the shadow. If you want to give the shadow of the any border, here you can click on the shadow and then select the lines also. Suppose this type of the line you want to it, they give the shadow of the lines. Okay. So what is the shading? Shading is the background color and apply the selected text. Understood students? The process how can we apply the shading? Thank you. I hope you understood.